Making this cover out my bucket of strawberries, and what this is just a 18-gallon container that I bought from Walmart. And what I'm doing is using a sorter and sorting a square out to put my mesh on top to protect my strawberry plants from bugs, critters, whatever. But I already started it and I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this part right here. Sorry about the light, y'all, in my garage, so I don't have much light here. So, now the lid might be a little flimsy, but what you want to do is make sure you keep side things connect your bucket to. Don't go too far. And the mesh will be glued onto this area right here. And what I do, I just put a little, start right here, take off a little bit of that. Make sure that it's on high when you're doing this, okay? Not low, so it can go faster for you. And you can go back and forth like this too. I did like a little line to give me some kind of aim, but you don't have to go with that. Just make sure that your solder is in, not going past this line, so you can have enough coverage, right here to glue down your fabric, your mesh. Now you want to do a container that's not too thick, because if it's too thick, you're gonna be whoo. These are the Sterlite 17-gallon Sterlite gray ones, and the lids are pretty thin, as you can see. I'll turn this over because my cord is not that long on here, and I didn't have extension cord. Woo, watch that glue, it's hot. And make sure you don't touch that solder gun. Okay, well, I'm at right here. You see how I'm staying outside my guideline? I'm staying inside my guideline, not outside of it. And it don't have to be perfect, guys, because once you unglue the mesh on there, you're not going to see this, because this is going to be, the mesh is going to be at the bottom. I'm almost there. If you have a bigger sorter, it's going to go faster. This is a smaller one. This is all I had, so this is what I used. And I'm just going, making sure I get all those detached ones from them. I see the end of the road. I wouldn't advise doing this with a saw or a jigsaw or scissors. It's just too much work. You might as well just do this and take your time with it. It might take a little longer, but the scissors and stuff is just too rigid to do this kind of plastic. You might need an electric saw to do it, or like a grinder. All right, that is the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the center out and show y'all how that looks. And you want to keep your little center part. So if it rains and you have your buckets outside, you can just put this on top and it'll shelter your bucket from the rain, okay? And I got this, I seen this off a YouTuber. She's an older lady. I'll leave it across the screen, y'all, when I edit this video, so y'all know who it is that I got this idea from. Right. But she actually stapled. I'm gonna actually glue. Yeah, but this is actually, keep this part. It can be like a little shelter. And this is the part where I'm gonna put my mesh on and attach it. Okay, stay tuned. I'll show y'all the rest. Okay, you do see the mesh. It's evened out. I just went a little bit longer on the edge. It's fabric of insect netting. This is the screen right here, and that's that. Okay, before you start, you want to take all the sharp edges all the way around here and get all excess stuff. Make sure it's smooth so nothing will poke through the mesh. So I did that already, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with 99% alcohol and so my bond will stick. That, and then I'm going to try this Gorilla Glue. It does say it bonds to plastic, wool, fabric, leather, paper, and stuff, so I'm going to see about this first. Stay tuned. Okay, I weighed the fabric down so I can make sure when I apply the glue in each corner that I have it don't move around. Okay, then you probably can cut the excess too, but they say you gotta hold this down for about 45 seconds. So I'm gonna use something like, okay, I have this to hold it down. They say hold it down for 45 seconds, so I'll see. I'm gonna glue it on top of the fabric and see if that works. It will go through. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys, but I'm gonna see. Should have just put a dot. Okay, hold it down for 45 seconds. Let's see. I don't think that's gonna work. Might need a blow dry, make it dry faster. You know what I should have did? I should have kind of sanded it a little bit, and that probably would have helped it a lot better. Hey, the super glue didn't work. See that right there? It didn't work. It's coming up still. So I decided to do the Velcro, the double stick Velcro. I just measured it from one end to the other. Measured it from one end to the other, the short way and the long way. I'm only going to use a little, probably about a 1/4 inch of this or 1/2 inch of this, and tape it and all the way around and see how that do. And I just bought that from Walmart. I think it is kind of pricey. I'm just doing this one thing, and then I think I'm gonna do the see how the 5000 glue 5000 works. And that's just some Velcro, industrial strength Velcro. All right, let me start cutting this, measuring this up to this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the Velcro all the way around the edges of the bucket, which y'all can see. Now I'm just gonna go take this tape off and attach this to the Velcro here. It's just a piece of tape. It's double-sided Velcro, double-sided sticky Velcro, and then I'm going to take the tape off and line up this right here, and I'll show y'all when I'm finished. Alright, I'm all done with the Velcro all the way across, and what I did was make sure I did the corners of each Velcro first, so I make sure that it lines up. It lines up and it goes all the way over all the tape, because you don't want, since this is sticky on this side, you want it to be smooth and no sticky nowhere. And you use this little thing right here and make sure you get it all smooth all the way around. Yeah, you want to get it smooth all the way around, and then fill it and make sure you don't feel no tackiness of the glue. See, I don't feel no tackiness, meaning that I got it all into the tack, the adhesive, rather, adhesive. All right, this is my insect protector, or my strawberry bucket. This the inside, and you can trim off this. You gotta remember you want it all the way to the edge, because once this get the glue on here, this is gonna fray because you cut it. But the glue will keep it from fraying. It'll only fray up here, but it won't fray on the glue. So that's why it's important to make sure that you get it all the way good on there and there's no tacking it, so it stops fraying. And that is how it look, guys. Oh, it is nice. Now it is kind of flimsy, but that's all right because it's just like a screen. You don't want it to be that heavy. And I want to use the majority of my top because I want the sun to go down deep. Because if you would have cut it right here, you might have some shadowing on your plants. So that's why I went very far out and took that whole dent out of that lid and used just edges. Might not be as pretty, but it is nice. Okay, I'll show y'all the final results on how I look on the bucket. I haven't transplanted my strawberries yet. They're up in here in the dark right here while I'm filming this. But there they go there. They're looking very nice transplants. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, I have my strawberry plants in here acclimated to the weather. I got them in shade first. I got them in his thing, so I don't have to worry about the bugs. Just got them on a little planter spinner at the bottom. Holder, pot holder, plant holder. And looking very green and luscious. Probably can't see it real good with the mesh, but they look gorgeous. Some of them is kind of stunted. They're not growing as well. Probably about a couple of 3 of them I showed in the other video, but hopefully they'll pull through once I get them in the soil. And I'm gonna plant these in this bucket, 10 to a bucket. I'm not going to just put a cup in there and put the little runner in the cup while it's laying on top of the soil. I'm gonna put it about 8 inches deep of soil across so that the plants can grow high but doesn't reach too far up, because strawberry plants don't grow that tall. So yeah, so this is about 18 inches long, so I'll do 8 inches, and I'll say strawberry plants probably grows about 5 to 6 inches tall, not that much, so it should do. I got my chicks up in here, y'all. I'm just showing y'all this. These chicks have been driving me crazy. I got 14 chicks up in here. That is 16, almost, yeah, 16 weeks old. It's these 4 got 3 each in each one, and that bottom right there got 2. It's just my setup when I bring my chicks outside when it's almost time for them to come outside. Just acculate them, prop them up. Look at the chickens. And 2 down there. Just got them on this stainless steel thing. Like when I want to clean out the hemp bedding, I just put them in one of these, rinse them out, refresh it, and put them back in there. I turn the light on at night. It's 3 of them there. You just see 2, but it's 3. You see? And those are leg bars. They lay green eggs, blue eggs, I think. Blue eggs, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I have a white longhorn in here. Not sure if this is I don't know if this is a brown leghorn or a Welsummer. I'm not sure. Have to figure it out. And I have a, what is that back there? What is that? Oh, a egger, olive egger. They love the olive egg, green egg. Here I have 3 in here. I have 2 chocolate macaron, something like that. Macaron. and another leghorn. I mean a leg bar. I got 3 up in here. I got a red island red and 2 naked necks. A black one and that red one, y'all. This red one right here. Naked necks, they don't have any hair on their necks. In here, I'm glad one of my babies survived because he was having a hard time. My little Orpington. I got a brown Orpington and an Oxford. I think it's Oxford. And that's it. I am doing this chicken coop over here. This is where they're gonna be staying. I'm gonna put a door here, and I'm gonna have a fence, a little small cage coming out and run through the yard, and about right there to that yard over there. This yard look like a mess, y'all. It's October, and yeah, we started on it, but it's not quite finished. We got to put the door on here. The door and the roof. This is a 10 by 6, and that's what, 14 chickens, and hopefully this will be enough room for them. I'm gonna put the nesting boxes right here, and I'll put the roosting bar, 2 roosting bars, one there and one there, even all the way across, and that's it. I'm gonna put like a little base here so the poop dropping can go there. I don't know what I'm gonna use, some kind of base that's easy to clean. I'm gonna put hay Hampton down here. This is at the back of my house. It's on a concrete slab. Yeah, I didn't want it out in the sun because Texas weather and 9B is, woo, it's bad. And my little chicks won't survive. And I can see I got them underneath the patio back here, which is awesome. And they just enjoying the breeze. I take them out and I put them in the sun over here in the morning, morning sun. It's about to rain, y'all, and it's only almost 3 o'clock. It's about to rain. It's very dark out here. But that's it. I just wanted to show y'all a few things that I'm doing here. Hopefully my chicks make it before winter come. We'll have this done before it get too cold. I'm gonna put 2 windows right here, which got a lot of stuff going on. It's right here, 2 windows. I think I'm gonna put it on both sides of this, one on this side and one on that side, and put the little door on the bottom, automatic door at the bottom. Let me show you the nesting boxes I'm gonna use. Yeah, let's get to that, guys. These nesting boxes right here. I'm gonna just put 4 of them for 14. It's these I bought from Walmart. They a little penny for them. I think they was like $8 a piece. But I like them because they're 12 by 12s. And that's what I'm gonna use for the nesting boxes. Line them up on that wall. Put them on something. Put a height up to 1 foot high, and then set them on something. That's what I'm gonna use for that. Oh well, I was just checking in for a little minute, y'all. It's not nothing fabulous, but it's a process. As long as you get through the process, you will see, you will prosper. All right, y'all. Everybody grow y'all wealth in the garden. And my name is DeWanda. Bye.